السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear and respected audience, today also I am going to explain about the opinions of scientists as regards fasting. Dr. Yoshinori Oshinomi, Japan's great scientist, he got in 2012 Kyoto Prize and in 2016 Nobel Prize and in 2017 Breakthrough Prize in Lifetime. He was a cell biologist and specialized in autophagy. He was professor in great universities of Japan. Part of his research, autophagy, he is saying all cells will be cleaned by the fasting. He is saying if thus cleaned cells will get lot of health benefits. Another one, American great cardiologist, Dr. Louisa Peter. Dr. Louisa Peter researched more about autophagy. Autophagy means cleansing the old cells. She is saying by the fasting will be removes the toxics of the protein. If there any kind of the proteins accumulated by the toxics, it will be removed. If there is remaining like that, that toxic protein will be Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. The doctor said the fasting will give energy for body. If there is any part cancer, that also will be removed. Dr. Peter said fasting is most effective way to trigger autophagy, means the cleansing the cells. Dr. Francois Wilhelm de Toledo. This doctor's research was a long time research, means more than 50 years research. This is one of the world's largest study. Dr. Francois Wilhelm de Toledo said that this research was about the fasting. The doctor said this fasting allows the body to repair itself. It is reducing inflammation and enhances mental clarity. Another one, neuroscientist of Johns Hopkins University, Dr. medicine. He said, if you don't eat for 10 to 12 hours, your body will go its fat stores for energy, and fatty acids called ketones will be released into the bloodstream. This has been shown to protect memory and learning functionality, as well as slows the disease process in the brain. Dr. Sin Hashmi, an expert in metabolic health, he said, fasting can lead to reduction in the weight, fat, lipids, cholesterol, sugar, insulin resistance, and blood pressure. Fasting promotes autophagy and enhances many health benefits. He said more about the health benefits by the fasting. Dr. Alan Goldamer, a great doctor, he said, during fasting, body diverts energy toward self-healing and detoxification. Will not be any kind of the toxics in our body. While means fasting, the brain adapts to using ketones, allowing metabolic rest and repair. Dr. Mark Twain, he said, a little starvation can really do more for average sick man than can the best medicine and best doctors. Again he said, I not mean by the fasting, I not mean restricted diet, but I mean total abstention, means abstain from the food 1 day. Now you can understand what is the important the fasting is. It is immensely important. Everything Allah knows. Allah has said in the glorious Quran, you observe the fasting in the entire month of Ramadan. And Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, you have to observe fasting in each week 2 days, and many other nafal sunnah fastings. Now we can imagine, we can understand the fasting is only for our medical health benefits, and also will get rewards in the hereafter. Also we can understand whatever thing Allah has commanded to us, it is all commandments for us. That commandments for our benefits. If we obey that commandments and sayings of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we live here without any fear, sadness, anxiety, depression, and many dangerous and other diseases. We can live here with a long time. It is why we have to try to obey Allah's commandments and saying of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah Ta'ala bless us by His endless bliss. Wa akhir da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.